Today we'll see the recording for the SAP FI module setups. What are the basic setups in the SAP Finance modules? Okay. So first step, we have to create a company. So what is the T code? Transaction code is /NOX15. Okay. So go to the new entries. Click. I am creating a company called TrainT. So it's a company called TrainT Technologies Private Limited, and I giving the street name pin code city. I am giving Mumbai, country India, language English, and currency INR. Enter. Just control as save. So the request pops up and the short description it is there. Just click the tick mark and it will be continue. So the step one, what we have created is a company. Okay, company we have created /NOX15. Next, we have to create a company code /NOX02. O2, sorry. OX. So the second step, entry, and I have to loop the company code here. What we created. So I am once again creating a company TRET, maximum phone test. So current company, I am giving the street, key, street, pin code, city I am giving Kolkata, country India, language English, currency INR. Just save it. Okay. So our company name is TRAT. Next, we have to create a company code. Go back. Slash. The position. Give the company code TRAT. Okay. Giving the company code in the new entry. TRAT. Enter. So the title, country, yeah, save it. Just save it. Company name. So Now we have to assign the company code to the company. Okay. So navigation is /n0x16. Position. Search your company TRAT. Here both we have created TRAT. Assign. Next we have to create this. So we are not opening multiple session. Just we are going to create a business area /NOX03. So here new entry, business area. So where is the branch we opened at Kolkata? So I am giving Mumbai. Mumbai train. Okay, save it. Next, we have to create the credit control area /NOB45. The question. We enter credit control area TRAC. So we created a credit control area. That I saved. Next, we have to assign the credit control area to the company code /NOB38. To the position TRAT. Here 3RAT TrainT Technology TRAC. Save it, and we have assigned the credit code. Next up is creating the fiscal year variant /NOB29. So what happens here? We are going to create a fiscal year variant. So if you see here, V3 and K4, first we are copying the V3. Okay, go to copy as and give something like 3. Give copy all, enter. So number of dependent entry copied 400. So it is done. So we have copied all the financial year. Suppose April to March for the Indian financial year. Assign the fiscal year variant to the company code. We have to assign each and every step to the company code created. /NOB37. Go back. Yes. To position company code TRAT, yes, fiscal year variant what we created, T3, yes, because they have created multiple, we have created. So data was saved, we have assigned it. Go to the step 9, creation of posting period variant, slash NOB, OBB. Okay. So we have to create a posting period variant. Just go here, variant, TRAV. Yes, created variant. Assign posting period variant to company code. So once we created, immediately we have to assign the posting period. That is the step 10 slash NOBPP. Here, what is the variant? TRAV. Okay. 11th step, open and close posting period variant. This is a very important step. Okay. You will see in the next video.